Okay, so what are you doing now? What are you doing with that?
Making my dessert. Even though I'm on the carnivore diet, I take this, which is grass-fed yogurt, only has high-quality milk, and I mix a salty packet in it.
Any particular flavor?
The caramel vibes. Now,
for people in this carnivore diet, that's a dairy product, so it's okay.
Yeah, and on carnivore, real carnivore, strict carnivore, you want salty, clean slate, but this is the next best thing. This is kind of the sweet treat.
All right, let's see you.
And I take one of these, put it in here, and
now, how big is that container?
64 ounces. Yeah, actually, sorry, 32.
One of those. Let me pull one out. Let's see it. Because this is the size that you routinely use. You mix one salty pack in a 32-ounce container. Correct? Yeah. Okay.
And one of these packs, and then I take 2 teaspoons of Dr. Paul Saladino's raw honey. And again, it's a raw honey.
Good stuff.
Really good for you.
So you 32 ounces of yogurt, 1 salty pack, the caramel vibes, and
2 teaspoons
of the honey. All right.
Yeah, and I do it over the sink just in case I spill something.
Just go ahead, I'm watching. Don't make a mess.
That's a plan. Then 1 packet.
You put the whole pack in there.
Yeah. And then, let me open this. And then 2 teaspoons of the raw honey. And then, after you're done, you just mix it and mix it. You might be here for a while. We're done mixing. Do you want to try it?
I believe so.
It's really good, and actually
you better show it up some more. Just bring it up here.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. Oh yeah.
Good. That's different.
Yeah. It's not really bad for you, and it tastes actually really good. Try it. And like, share, subscribe. Thank you.